Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. This is V. In today's video, it is my Boxycharm which just arrived, so I want to make this pretty short. This is Boxycharm for January 2022, and I want to see what's in there. It's a small box, as you can see. Usually it's a big box, but it's a small one, and this is my Boxycharm base box. Now we are here to do a quick video with the Boxycharm. This makeup look that I just completed will be on YouTube. I'm just playing with my makeup and having fun, so do the same. Have fun. Okay, they say Boxycharm refresh. That's right, 2022 is here. Let's refresh, take away all the old and bring in all the new and make it work for us. There are 5 full-size products, and the first one say Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. And let me show you what the box looks like before I even unpack it. This is the box. This is what's in there. I turn down the light so we can see a little better. Okay, it's a okay, so this is the Pharmacy. This is the Pharmacy Feeling Good Serum. I guess there is honey in there. It looks like a honeycomb. Let's open. Oop, I'm tearing the box because I can't get it open. I tear the box, I can't get it open. Anyway, I'll be using it, so it doesn't matter. Okay, Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. Is this for eyes, skin plumping, microfilling serum, and hyaluronic and smoothing. Okay, that's for all over the face, it looks like. This is what the bottle looks like. This is for all over the face serum, and it says use AM and PM. So that's number 1 item. Number 2 is Wonder Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. This is what it looks like. We gotta open it. It's all sealed, so we need to open it and make this video quick. I gotta go cook. I gotta go cook my supper, so I gotta open. Outside, it does have one of these little plastic thingies that I throw away, and this is what it looks like. It's not my kind of palette, but I see some shimmers in here, so you know I'll make it work. And this is an eyeshadow palette. Your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highlighted pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. Okay, I can deal with that. I'm gonna, ooh, this is nice and soft. I almost made a big dent out of it. This is one of the shadows. I like that. That's cute. Well, let me put it somewhere else so you can see. It's my skin color. They are really soft. So I did 2 for you. 2 of them. They're 2 different colors. They might look the same, but they're 2 different. It's very pretty, very soft. So I'm looking forward to using that soon. Okay, I am liking those colors. Those colors are pretty. Okay, third thing is LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. Velvety in texture, this clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimension that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. So No Limit Matte Bronzer. I always tear this. It's called Worthy in Deep. The bronzer name is Worthy in Deep. I can never open these boxes, so they always get torn apart. LYS, it's always shiny. And No Limits Matte Bronzer, Worthy in Deep. Wow, deep is deep. No joke here. I keep everything, so I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I already have 3 things from LYS that I purchased from Sephora. I have the finishing powder, I have the serum, and the blush. So now I have the bronzer. This is working out good for me. There are 2 more things left. Empty box. And 2 more things left. Where's my paper? I have EVO Beauty Lip Spool Liner Duo. Creamy, long-lasting, rich cream. Creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line and fill lips. So this is a 2-piece lip duo. I just noticed I haven't given you all prices, but I will in a few minutes. So this is that. As you can see, 2 different colors. If you look at the top. I'm not opening that yet because as I have a ton. And then the last thing in there is Billion Dollar Brows. Brows on Point Micro Pencil. And this is cruelty-free, waterproof, paraben-free from who? Oh, BDB. Billion Dollar Brows. This is what it looks like. And the color is taupe. Most likely I will use that as a lip liner with something else. It has a spoolie on one end and the color over here. Let's see what taupe looks like on me. Okay, not bad. This is what taupe looks like. This right here, not bad. So I can use it as an brow pencil. These are the 5 full products that I received from my Boxycharm January 2021 base box. So we'll start number 1, the pharmacy. The pharmacy is $44. The Wonder Beauty Getaway Eye Face Palette is $36. I tell you, the formula feels good in that. I'll keep you posted. The LYS No Limit Matte Bronzer is $18. The EVO Beauty Lip Spool Liner Duo is $24. And the Billion Dollar Brows is $16. So these are all my products that I got, that I pay for, that I receive, all 5. So I'm keeping everything. I'll be using everything. Thank you, Boxycharm, for sending me the good stuff. This is everything that came in my Boxycharm for January 2022 base box. Again, today's word is patience. Have a little bit more patience with yourself. In that way, you'll be able to feel a little better when things don't work out the way it's supposed to. Again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. I am saying bye. I gotta go cook. Bye, bye, bye. Don't forget, take your makeup off and play with your makeup. Have some makeup fun. Bye.